Today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Atlassian Rovo to ChatGPT so you can bring your Jira tickets, Confluence pages, team documentation, and project insights diary directly into your ChatGPT workspace. Once Rovo is connected, ChatGPT becomes a powerful assistant that understands your team's projects and can surface information instantly. No switching tools or searching through long pages. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, open ChatGPT. Whether you're using the desktop app or your browser, the connection process works exactly the same. Next, look toward the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find all your core settings and app integrations. From the menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, open the section labeled Apps and Connectors. This is your central hub for connecting third-party apps to ChatGPT. Everything from productivity tools to knowledge bases appears here, and Atlassian Rovo is part of that ecosystem. Now scroll through the list until you find Atlassian Rovo. Click on it to open the connection window. You'll see a brief overview explaining what Rovo can do when connected, searching Jira issues, referencing Confluence docs, summarizing project details, and helping you work across your Atlassian workspace without leaving ChatGPT. Click Connect or Authorize. If you're not already logged into your Atlassian account, you'll be prompted to sign in so ChatGPT can link securely to your workspace. Once you confirm the connection, Rovo becomes officially available inside ChatGPT. Now return to your main chat. You can begin using Rovo right away by typing prompts such as, Rovo, show me all Jira issues assigned to me this week. Summarize the latest design review notes from Confluence. What are the blockers in the mobile app project? Find the documentation for our API rate limits. ChatGPT will automatically use Atlassian Rovo to pull this information from your workspace and present it in an easy-to-consume format. Because Rovo is deeply integrated with Atlassian tools, you can even ask follow-up questions, refine searches, or ask ChatGPT to summarize long pages, highlight action items, or draft updates based on your projects. That's all it takes. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon in the bottom left, go to Settings, choose Apps and Connectors, select Atlassian Rovo, authorize the connection, and then come back to your chat to begin using Rovo exactly like you use ChatGPT.